Welcome back to physics class. Good morning children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In the last class we discussed about the problems and as well as how to draw the ray diagrams. Today in this class we are going to discuss about some different type of problems based on the object distance, magnification and as well as image distance. So for that I am going to give a problem. A concave mirror produces a concave mirror produces 4 times magnified image of an object placed at 12 centimeter in front of it. 12 centimeter in front of it. What is the focal length? Of the mirror? Focal length of the mirror. See children, in this problem we are going to find the focal length by using the magnification. In before problem we find the focal length, image distance only, but in this problem the given magnification, a concave mirror produces 4 times, means 4 times magnified image of an object placed at 12 centimeter. The object is placed at 12 centimeter in front of a concave mirror and it is giving 4 times magnified image. So for that we need to find image distance indirectly and as well as focal length of the mirror. Okay, now we are going to do the solution. See here, what they given in this question? So they given magnification 4 times magnified. So based on this, so your magnified means here it is a real image. So the image is real and it is inverted image of an object. So based on that, according to the sign convention, we will get minus 4 centimeter. See here, according to sign convention, of concave mirror, magnification m is equal to minus 4. There it is indicating that it is a real image and also the focal length, object distance they given here, u is equal to minus 12 centimeter. You know children, we need to find focal length. Here we have to find focal length. How we can find focal length? They given only magnification and as well as the object distance. We need to find magnification. You know, we have a formula for the magnification. That is, the magnification m is equal to minus v by u. So here we need to find v because we know m and we know u. So based on that we can get v. So that is what, substitute the above information in the given formula. M is equal to minus 4 into is equal to minus v by u is what, minus 12. So minus will get cancelled. So if we transpose this term to the left side, then it becomes as a multiplier. The 12 is in the denominator. So if we transpose it in the left side, then it becomes as a multiplier. So minus 4 into 12 is equal to v. Then we'll get v is equal to minus 48. 12 4 the 48. So for that we'll get minus 48 centimeter. So here we got one more value. That is what? Image distance. We got image distance and also the given u value. We need to find focal length. So already we have a mirror formula. That is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is the mirror formula. So based on this, substitute the image distance and object distance. We can get the focal length automatically. So that is what? 1 by f is equal to 1 by u is minus 12 plus 1 by v is minus 48. Okay, 1 by f is equal to 1 by minus 12 plus into minus 1 by 48. So if we do the LCM of 12 and 48, we will get 48 as a LCM. So 1 by f is equal to 48. Then 12 4s are 48 minus 1 into 4 minus 1. Then 1 by f is equal to minus 4 minus 1 by 48. Then what we will get here? 1 by f is equal to minus 5 by 48. Then f is equal to 48 by minus 48 by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, left is 3. Then if you take point, it becomes 30. So 9.6. So focal length f is equal to minus 9.6 centimeters. Okay children, by this way we got the focal length. So if they given magnification, we can find the focal length by using this method. So we have to use the magnification formula, and also by using the focal length we can find magnification. Here we got the focal length as minus 9.6. Okay.